Welcome! In front of me I have Huawei Watch 4 active and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the crown button. Once you wake up the screen on your watch, you can press and hold on the current watch face to open the watch face menu. So press and hold on it, and after a second or two the menu should open. And once you open the watch face menu, you can scroll through the list of watch faces by swiping left and right on the screen. And once you find the watch face you would like to use on your watch, you can tap on it to select it and apply it. You can also customize some of the watch faces by opening the watch face menu and then tapping on the settings icon under the watch face. And here, as you can see, we can change the color. And that's about it, only the color. So once you change the color, you can press the crown button to apply the changes. Okay, you can also change the watch face through settings. So if you wake up the screen, then press the crown button again to open the menu. You can find the settings icon in the menu, tap on it, and in settings you can scroll down and find the option called watch face and home. Tap on it, and here select watch faces, and it will open the watch face menu. You can scroll through the watch face menu, find the watch face you would like to use, tap on it to select it, and apply it. Another way you can change the watch face is that basically through the phone application. So if your watch is paired with a phone, you can use the phone app to change the watch faces. So I'm gonna bring my phone right here, zoom out the camera so you can see the whole screen like this. Wake up the screen on our phone, and this phone is paired with this watch. So I'm gonna open the Huawei Health application, and in the Huawei Health app we can tap on devices, select our Huawei Watch 4 from the list, and here you should see the watch faces category. If you don't see this category, it could be because when you were installing the app for the first time, you selected a region that doesn't support this feature. So one thing you could do is basically reinstall the app and change the region. And once you see it, tap on more, then tap on mine, and here you have the list of watch faces you can select from. Find the one you like, tap on it, and then tap on set as default, and it's gonna be applied on your watch. And that's how you change the watch face on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.